Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So, follow us on Telegram. Also, yet if you also willing to join the mentorship, which is currently going on, which will be going on soon, which will be starting this week on January, you can go ahead to join the mentorship program. You'll find the link in the comment section. So when you take a look at this AUD USD, so we have been trading up, right? Guy, if you watch my analysis, if you have been watching my analysis back to back, I told you guys that we are heading to a level of 0.68. I told you guys, right? We are heading straight to a level of 0.68. This is the level, right? You can see that the prediction was absolutely correct. Our prediction on 0.68 was absolutely correct. Now, guys, we will be dropping, we'll be expecting more drop to the downside, probably to a level of 0.64 or 0.63. I know many of you guys might be saying, but this is still trending upward, it is still bullish. And so, yes, it is still bullish. I mean, you can see this is the first touch of the trend line, it bounced up, second touch of trend line, it bounced up, third touch of trend line, it bounced up, and this is the fourth touch of trend line. This is where the liquidity will now play out. So watch out, be careful. I mean, first touch, second touch, third touch. Now this is the fourth touch. This is where you should now be careful, because a lot of traders will now be stacking in on the buy. A lot of traders will start pumping in, taking the buy. Be careful around taking your buy. I mean, if you were to take the buy you should have taken the buy around here. The buy would have been around here and probably around this level as it was popping up. But now that it has given this massive fall, I want to go ahead to take the buy. I will say be very, very careful, because if in case market pushes up, we are likely to see that drop. So maybe if in case it push up, we might get an equal highs, which is not bad. If in case AUD pushes up and give us an equal highs, then the drop will finally play out. So our bias is still to the downside. It's either we start getting the drop from here, it's either it pushes up, come to this resistance level. AUD is I'm just suggesting, by the way, it's either AUD as it comes to this resistance level and give us that drop, or we are likely to see it break above, come to this resistance level and the drop. Whatever thing market does, a drop is coming on AUD USD.